Hi everybody, MEG Toys here, Meg Toy Collector. We have some awesome Disney nail varnishes and some Disney Tsum Tsum surprise. Yay!
Again, everybody.
Yep, another one. So here are the ones that we got last time. We got Marie, and Cleo. And I still don't know where Cleo's from, because I have not Googled.
Let's see that.
Well, I haven't searched. Right. Let's do that later. Let's take a look at these. So this...
Let me see.
This one is Doc McStuffins in a very nice peach. Ooh. And I think these are peely. I think they peel off. And we got these from Asda. This one is Queen Elsa. Can you guys see? Queen Elsa right there. Sparkly blue.
Yeah,
nice.
and we're going to play with them.
Well, you're going to paint my nails, aren't you, sweetheart?
Yeah, and we're going to play with them.
Yep. This one is Princess Anna. Can we see? Sparkly purple. Gorgeous. Okay. Which colour are you going to do my nails? All of them? All of them. So which one are you going to start with?
Pink.
This one?
Yeah.
The Doc McStuffins one.
I want pink.
There you go.
Is that pink?
There you go.
Can't reach.
Ooh. Gorgeous. Are you going to do any more of that colour? Another one?
Ow.
Don't worry about that. Cool.
See, everybody?
Nice colour. Okay, I think we should do some of Queen Elsa's next. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Very
Ooh.
glittery. Can you see?
It's really sparkly.
Little finger is so excited to have paint on it.
Beautiful.
And then what? Are you going to
Lovely.
use that one now?
Yep, last one for my thumb. This is Princess Anna's nail colour. So it's sparkly purple. Very wintry colours. Yay! Thank you.
Okay.
Absolutely gorgeous. I'm ready for a party. Yay!
Let's do that also.
You want to do this hand too?
Here's one.
Why don't you let us know which colour is your favourite in the comments? My favourite is definitely this sparkly purple one. Princess Anna's.
And my favourite is the purple one.
That's your favourite one too?
Yeah.
We're too much like each other, aren't we?
I like this one.
You're going to do my other nails then? And then we've got a Tsum Tsum to open. Oh, I do like that though. That's beautiful.
And I like that one too.
And then can you do a bit of dark on my nail, please? My other one.
What one?
On my thumb.
Bit of dark.
Yep.
Alright. Right. Oh, I need to do this one. We need to do just right. Because this is like...
Love it. Thank you. Absolutely fabulous. I have Disney nails forever. Right, so let's put these back on, and then I think it's Tsum Tsum time.
Let's put some music on. No, let's not.
Are we ready? Yeah. What have we got here first?
I don't know.
Little Green Men.
Yeah.
From...
Little Green Men we have.
Do you remember what movie he's from?
No.
It's from Toy Story.
Oh.
I know who the surprise is too, but let's get Little Green Men out. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to get nail varnish everywhere. Look at this guy, so cute, with his little alien antenna, which is really squidgy, squidgy, and his ears. Burp, 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 burp. He's really, really cute. And he's got how many eyes?
1, 2, 3.
Three eyes, because he's an alien. Hi guys, I'm a new friend. Hi.
What do you like to play with?
The claw. Are we ready for our surprise? You ready? Who is it? It's Snow White. Look how cute she is, everybody. Look at her little eyelashes and her hair bow. And I love her skirt.
And let's play with her at
So
this
cute.
video, Mummy.
You want to play with her in this video?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to be Snow White?
I got something
What have you got in there then?
here.
You've got the flyer, that's right. And this shows us all of the ones that you can get. And I didn't mention in our last video these ones, which are the super rare ones. And there's Mickey, Elsa, Olaf, and Alice that you can get in gold. So that's cool. We've not got those yet.
Nope.
So,
Why did you do that?
are you going to have a play?
What's this?
All right, everybody.
It needs some friends.
It's got some friends.
Go and play with me.
Let's go play. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You're